All right, here we go. Room 2. Taking the fixtures off, took the mirror down, took the doorbell cover off. I did some sanding right here. Oops. With this thing here, you can probably see the spot. Just got it smooth. Patched the wall, little cracks there. You may have seen this from yesterday. Basically, smooth it all out. And now, for the paint. All right. All right, here we go. Finished product. Check it out. And again, the camera doesn't do it justice. It looks great on camera, but there's the doorbell back up. I haven't done the trim yet. You can't even tell where the spot was that I sand there and down there. But trust me, it is like a baby blue. Did up there, roped off, or taped off. Took the vent out. Yeah, I'm loving it. I am loving it.